Peace and blessings. Welcome to Rita Be Creative. In today's video, we move our closet system into the new larger space. If you missed any of the previous videos of the closet bench, chandelier, glam mirror, or beautiful flooring install, we have a convenient playlist, so check the iCard or thumbnail links at the end of this video. For those of you who are new to this channel, this premium wood closet system is from the Allen and Roth collection, purchased several years ago from Lowe's. It has held up wonderfully. The takedown and transfer into this new space went pretty smooth. Surprisingly, we were able to reuse everything from the original installation. If interested, the original installation was before starting this YouTube channel, so that video was created in picture form. This video is basically a piggyback off that video, allowing you to see a little more of the install process in motion, as well as special features and the additional pieces that were purchased to help customize the system even more. But thou, when thou prayest, enter into thy closet, and when thou hast shut thy door, pray to thy Father, which is in secret. And thy Father, which seeth in secret, shall reward thee openly. Matthew 6:6. Stay tuned as we have a few more items to create for this space. Then we will decorate and finally the closet tour. We trust this video has been helpful and informative. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed.